What's up, it's your boy Slade back at it again. We're about to install the RTR tailgate stop with an audience. So what you have to do first, you have to unhook these little clips right here and it should pop right out of place like this one did. We are installing the new bracket onto the tailgate right now. Once you have the bracket and the mount together, it's time to put them on the Bronco. And if your dad had all the tools together, this would go by a little bit faster. Is that wave washer flattening? Alright, it is time to put the shock back on. You gotta make sure the tailgate's pushed out enough to line it up. That's gonna wrap it up for the RTR tailgate stop. Peace! Tell me when.
It's on.
No, redo it. I'm over here like